The Teledyne FLIR SIRAS is redefining thermal inspections for enterprise operations. Lone Star Drone's sales team can demo the SIRAS for you, showcasing its radiometric thermal imaging, high-performance sensors, and non-geofencing. From solar farms to infrastructure inspections, industrial sites, and public safety, the SIRAS provides high-accuracy thermal data for quick decision-making and cost-saving maintenance. With secure data storage, mission flexibility, and rugged durability, this drone is built for enterprise users who need reliability in the field. Want to learn how the SIRAS can elevate your business operations? Visit lsdrone.com today to learn more. Thanks for watching.